Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome to the Tech Vortex YouTube channel. Today, we've brought you a video where we'll dive into a fierce competition among giants in the world of smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, both flagship contenders, are going head-to-head. Now, let's compare these two powerful devices and see how they stack up against each other. We'd like to start with the design differences. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra seems to have a slight edge in terms of design. Both devices have a square frame, but the edges of these squares differ. The rounded corners of the 6.8-inch Galaxy S24 Ultra look much better in your hand. The 6.7-inch iPhone 15 Pro Max, on the other hand, is more angular. These corners don't sit well in the hand and feel awkward. Definitely not like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, looking at the aesthetic aspect, the iPhone 15 Pro Max looks cleaner and more organized. For example, the rear camera set with 3 lenses is placed behind a rounded square glass. In the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a single glass has not been used to house all the lenses, and the 5 eyes looking at you from the phone's back resemble a spider's eyes. Both phones are constructed using titanium, as can be inferred from the names of their colors. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes in 4 colors: natural titanium, titanium blue, titanium white, and titanium black. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also comes in titanium black, titanium purple, titanium gray, and titanium yellow colors, but there are 3 additional colors that you can only order through the Samsung website: titanium blue, titanium green, and titanium orange. Our next topic is the display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with QHD+ resolution, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max features a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 2796 by 1290. Both devices have LTPO displays with adaptive refresh rates, but Samsung takes the lead with a promised peak brightness of 2600 nits. When Apple introduced the iPhone 14 series, they referred to the notch as the Dynamic Island. Although it's less intrusive, the notch is still present. The Dynamic Island is also present in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but we've come to see it as an iDevice signature and have grown to appreciate it. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has opted for a small punch hole on the display to accommodate the front camera, leaving more space on the screen for other content. When it comes to performance, both device series are renowned for their seamless, powerful performance, ensuring smooth navigation through the interface. It's worth noting that shortly after the release of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, there were some heating issues, but Apple addressed and resolved them through a software update. However, Apple's A-series processors inside the device deliver unmatched performance compared to all other phones on the market. In fact, we can say that the S17 Pro processor in the iPhone 15 Pro Max produces more power than a smartphone needs. So, even if the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor at the heart of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra may not surpass the S17 Pro, it's not a significant issue because it will have enough power to handle all your tasks and even more. Now, let's talk about the cameras. To make a final judgment in this regard, testing the cameras of both devices is necessary. However, on paper, the Galaxy S24 Ultra seems to have the upper hand with its 200MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide camera, 50MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. The 50MP telephoto lens on the S24 Ultra is a nice upgrade from the 210MP telephoto lenses on the S23 Ultra. However, the optical zoom has decreased from 10x to 5x. Considering these features, the S24 Ultra's resolution for close-up shots will increase, but the area you can zoom into before software enhancement for distant photos will be narrower. We are eager to see how this change will improve the telephoto experience. Samsung claims that the Ultra's 5x optical zoom lens, working with the 50MP sensor, delivers clean photos and portraits up to 10x zoom. We'll see. Despite the compromise in optical zoom, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands toe-to-toe with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which features a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x zoom. The 15 Pro Max has a 48MP main and 12MP ultra-wide camera. Both devices also come with a 12MP front-facing camera. Looking at device-specific features, what sets the Galaxy S24 Ultra apart is the S Pen. As a Galaxy S22 Ultra owner, I can attest to using the S Pen regularly. I use it for everything from taking notes at work to scribbling my drink order on the phone screen in a noisy bar. The iPhone 15 Pro Max doesn't come with a stylus, but it does have the Daily app introduced with iOS 17. With this app, you can base your journal entries on your photos and videos, allowing you to document your day creatively. The iPhone 15 Pro Max offers satellite-assisted emergency SOS and an adjustable action button. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also has an adjustable side button, but I found the iPhone 15 Pro Max's button more customizable with the iOS Shortcuts app. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is presented as an AI-powered phone, offering many machine learning features to compete with the Google Pixel 8 Pro. On the Apple side, iOS 18 will bring an AI chatbot to iPhones, significantly expanding the capabilities of the built-in Siri assistant. However, this update won't arrive until the fall when the iPhone 16 Pro Max takes the stage. Now, let's talk about battery life. With the iPhone 15 Pro Max coming with a USB-C port, the hassle of dealing with different cables is finally over. Now, you can charge all your devices with just one cable. The charging speed of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is around 27W, meaning a 30W charger will rapidly charge your phone. According to Ultimedia Device Vids, it's possible to fill up 50% of the phone's battery within 30 minutes. According to Samsung's information, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has an even higher charging speed, reaching 65% charge in 30 minutes with a 45W charger. Both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra allow you to charge other devices using a USB-C cable. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has an additional advantage. The Galaxy S24 can wirelessly charge other devices from its back. The wireless power share feature is, as you might expect, at least for now, not available on the iPhone 15 Pro Max or other iPhones. Wondering which one is more affordable? In terms of pricing, both giants seem to be playing a game of cat and mouse. Initially, Apple seemed to have an advantage with the iPhone 15 Pro Max starting at $1,199, but Samsung made a similar move by pricing the Galaxy S24 Ultra at $1,299. It's not just about features. We'll see which side offers better deals in the long run in the outcome of this battle. In conclusion, both devices offer powerful performance, high-quality cameras, and impressive displays. To determine your preference, you can watch our video to learn more details and decide which device suits your needs. Remember, the best phone is the one that is best for you.